Hi friends, in this video let us solve a signal system related question asked in GATE 2010 EC paper. The question is, to discrete time system with impulse response h1 of n is del of n minus 1, h2 of n del of n minus 2 are connected in cascade. That means series connection. What should be the overall response? So overall response, if two systems are connected in cascade, it is a convolution of those two. So h1 of n, h2 of n. So h1 of n I know it is del of n minus 1. h2 of n del of n minus 2. So the answer is del of n minus 3. Because the property of impulse convolution is del of n minus t1. Otherwise I put del of n minus n1 convolve del of n minus n2 is equal to del of n minus n1 plus n2. So the answer is del of n minus 3. Option C is the right answer. Thank you.